Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to KOXC Central Texas Weather here on KOXC.com and the Facebook pages of 101.3 and KOXC KBWD. Very nice day in progress. Just like this is a beautiful photo outside. We have some colors changing out there. Maybe not quite as sharp as this, but anyway, beautiful day. Let's check out the current conditions, and these are, as of right now, at the Brownwood Regional Airport, 81 degrees under fair skies. Humidity 54%. The wind coming in from the south at 11. We've had a gust of 19. Barometer steady 30.07. We're at 78. Right now at KOXC, we're in the low to mid 70s elsewhere on the temperature map. Here are my weather headlines. And as we check it out, it's warm once again tomorrow, but then it turns much cooler on Friday. Nice weekend weather is in store for us. And then I have some frost and freeze concerns by the time Monday and Tuesday get here next week. I'll have more on that in just a moment. See some cloud cover coming across the Red River, and look at some of the low cloudiness streaming up from the south. So some of that may advance into our area and bring us a few clouds this afternoon to mix with the sunshine. We have no precipitation anywhere in Texas, and we still have another snow event going through the Dakotas, southern Minnesota this afternoon. We have rain in Florida, and we have rain moving through the northeastern part of the country. We have some chilly temperatures. Northern tier of states supporting that snow with 30 degrees in Rapid City, Billings at 34. We're eventually going to get a dose of that by Monday of next week, which you'll see in just a moment. But it's also plenty warm from the northeastern part of the country, down through the southeast, across Texas, and on into the southwestern U.S. Dallas at 77, San Antonio 81, Houston 84 here in the noon hour today. This is a map of the upper levels. And you see all of these arrows. What in the world does all of this mean? Well, let's take a trip upstairs into the atmosphere about 3 miles. That's where these upper level winds propel weather systems across our weather maps. When you see yellows and reds, that is higher wind. What I really want to call your attention to is this area right in here. Talk about upper level lows. This is what it looks like on a weather map. We have low pressure, and this, by the way, is next Monday and Tuesday setting up here in the southwest part of the United States. And when this happens, it pulls in moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico, sometimes brings in a little Pacific moisture. But low pressure that sets off to the west of us like that, number one, creates some rain generally for our area, but also notice these arrows coming down out of Canada where that cold air is and coming right down the front range of the Rockies, making the bend, and then coming across Texas first part of next week. So that sets us up for rain. It could, if it's cold enough, set us up for some frozen precipitation. Next, I want to show you what the forecast model, the American model, GFS, is showing for Monday, Tuesday of next week. The greens would be rain. The whites or the pinks would be maybe a frozen type of precipitation. So a mix of the two possibly, and this is by next Tuesday. So that's what we're keeping an eye on, and we'll see how it goes as we go through the latter part of the week. But for this afternoon, 86, partly cloudy and breezy, southeast wind 10 to 20 miles per hour. Back with the rest of your forecast, including a very interesting 7-day forecast after this quick break.
Hi, this is Darren Black with Black Plumbing. We are excited about the reopening of Texas. At no time in our past has it been more important to work together for our future and the safety of our fellow neighbors. I ask you to please shop local and remind you that Black Plumbing will be here for you and your community while still maintaining our safety standards. For all your residential and commercial needs, Black Plumbing will be there for you. May God bless you, and may God bless Texas.
Help is on the way.
And the forecast for tonight for Brownwood in central Texas, near 64 degrees, skies mostly clear, south wind at 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, much like today, about 87 for the high temperature, mostly sunny and breezy, south wind at 15 to 25 miles per hour. 2 cold fronts coming our way. The first one is on Friday. The next one is Sunday night. The one Sunday night is the stronger of the two, but both have a big impact on our forecast. As you can see, we're warm tomorrow, Thursday. We crank up the wind on Friday, high temperature 70, and that high temperature Friday is likely in the morning as temperatures then start falling into the 50s in the afternoon. I've added a 20% chance for some rain to the forecast on Friday. We rebound, have a nice weekend coming up, 75 Saturday, about 89 on Sunday. Then the Arctic air gets here, and by Monday, some rain, Rain chances 30% Monday, 30% Tuesday, 30% Wednesday. High temperatures right now, I'm estimating these in the mid-40s during the day and the mid-30s at night, so we are flirting with frost and freeze temperatures. The forecast models are actually saying much colder than this. So the point being, right now, I think we need to plan, at least for the first part of next week, that we'll be perhaps flirting with the frost and the freeze, and you might want to protect your plants and your pipes and kind of get things ready. Tomorrow, I think we'll have a much better grasp on the data and see how all of this scenario plays out. We need the moisture, though, and so it's good to see that in the forecast as well. That's your afternoon update here on KOXE.com. I'll have another one tomorrow morning at 7:15. And as always, be sure to share this on your Facebook page and let everybody know we do live weather for you on KOXE.com and the KOXE Facebook pages. Have a great afternoon.